Yo guys, very fast, make I show una the difference between shadows and blacks for editing. So make we start with shadows first. Shadows dey actually control the dark part of your photo, but no be the deepest black. So if you increase am, the dark part go bright. You see am, the dark part go bright. And if you reduce am, the dark part go dark, but e still get details. You understand? So e dey actually temper with the dark parts of your image, but no be like the very dark place. You understand? Just like the shallow dark, make I call am like that. So I see am, anything you do, you see say details still dey, e dey affect the dark areas. Then your blacks now, e dey almost do the same thing, but black get more intensity than your shadows. Your black dey affect the deepest black, like the deepest places wey black well, na your black dey affect. Shey you dey see am, look at shade wey be black. You see how the shade don black well, and if I increase am, you see how the shade don white well. You understand? But if I do the shadows, you see the shadows no dey touch this part of our shades wey be say na black. You understand? E just dey affect this place wey be say e dark. So shadows na for dark areas, while blacks na for deepest black. So use them well to get the look wey you want. Peace out.